Welcome. Let's see how to make mushroom soup. Take a wok. Add some sesame oil, cumin, green chili, half a green chili, curry leaf, onions. Stir fry till they are transparent. Add a spoon of ginger garlic paste, one and a half tomatoes, a pinch of turmeric, red chili powder, a good amount of coriander powder, salt to taste. Fry them till the raw smell ends. Now add butter mushroom, 200 grams. Give a rough coat. Mushroom and masala mix together. Add water, 250 ml or 300 ml. One spoon of pepper, garam masala, a pinch. Add coriander leaves, a bunch of coriander leaves. Final stir. And cover them in a low medium flame for 15 minutes. So now the soup is ready. Here you go, serve it in a soup bowl. Garnish them with coriander. Mushroom soup is ready.